Alright, we're going to talk about the headlights in the 2014-2024 Toyota 4Runners. They have projector lenses for the low beam bulbs and reflector lenses for the high beam bulbs. The low beam projectors are designed with a cutoff line to protect oncoming traffic from glare. Now this is where you need to be selective of which LED bulbs you choose to run in your headlights. A lot of LEDs aren't designed to replicate the factory beam pattern. This will cause you to have more glare and less output when installed into a projector lens. Our 7,000 lumen F1 Series bulbs are designed to put out the same exact beam pattern as your factory bulbs, while adding at least 200% or more output. Let's walk you through how to install the F1 Series. First, you will remove the dust cover by spinning it counterclockwise. Our bulbs have an adjustable base so that you can align the bulb properly once you have it locked in. But on these 4Runners, you will get the best output and beam pattern by simply spinning the bulbs until it locks. Normally you would want the bulbs to sit so that the LED chips are facing left and right, with the wire on the fan going straight down or straight up. But on this 4Runner, you're going to get the best beam pattern from it setting just like it is locked in. You can see that this generic LED bulb has an odd shaped fan. It hits the assembly when locking it in, causing it to not be locked in fully. This will have a huge effect on the beam pattern. The F1 Series bulbs are polarity specific, so when you connect them to your factory plug, be sure to pay attention to the positive and negative symbols on the connector. You're going to line the positive symbol up with the colored wire. If the bulb doesn't come on, you can simply disconnect it and turn the connector around and reconnect it. Once you have it installed and connected, you can reinstall your factory dust cover. Here's some of the output pictures of the F1 Series in the low beams. You can see the clean cutoff line with a huge improvement to output. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching.